These king ferns are definitely one of the wonders of this rainforest. Amazing. Check out the size of this fallen tree. It's a true forest giant. It's a brush box, and in and on this fallen log, a whole new habitat is evolving. Thankfully, a good number of brush box trees is still upright around here. They are magnificent trees. We can't even see the top. As we walk on, via an ascending trail, we emerge from the forest here. Check out the view over the top of the rainforest. Fantastic! It is well worth the climb to be able to spend some time up here. Look up there! A waterfall being born. It is quite fascinating to watch the wind and the light play with this trickle of water. When the summer rains come, the water will be thundering down here. It's one great lookout after another. It's a beautiful place for a picnic, with almost a 360-degree view. One last chance to enjoy the wide views before we descend into the rainforest again. A little creek invites all sorts of wondrous life forms. Water bugs. These are Whirligig beetles. They eat dead or injured insects from the water's surface. They have an amazing split eye with which they can see half above and half underwater. A little sun skink is wondering what creature is lurking under that piece of bark. It is a cicada. It's very big, and the skink is a bit unsure about what to do. When the cicada emerges, the skink takes off to safety. Be sure to check out my blog this week to read more about the wonders of the rainforest. I'll put a link in the description. Following alongside the creek, I spot some damselflies, like this common flatwing. They prefer to live near streams, and some of the species specifically in rainforest, like this flame flatwing. These are spring flatwings, in mating position. Their mating wheel looks just like a love heart. Isn't that beautiful? And witness here this very special footage of the moment that they finish the mating process and unhook their love heart. Wow! We have arrived in a very dark corner in the rainforest now, where the Nagarigoon Falls plunge into a little rock pool. A few rays of sunlight that filter through the canopy create a magical effect. What an awesome place to finish our wonder-filled walk. Subscribe to my channel for more walks. and let me know in the comments what was the most wonderful moment for you today. I'd love to hear from you and hope to see you again on the next walk.